Thanks for checking in, guys. This is the final update for probably our last winter storm of the season. I'm sticking with my guns. This is the forecast from this morning. I'm going to stick with it. It's going to upset some folks that are closer to the coasts, but I'm calling it how I see it. 2 to 5, maybe 3 to 6 in this blue area, 5 to 10 with some good ski mountain snows, 10 to 16 locally, maybe more. I'm up in northern Vermont right now in Morrisville. The mountain will get a lot more than I get. I'll probably get 8 or 10 inches where I am. But let's take a look what's going on and what the theory is behind the forecast. Here's our storm, northern jet, southern jet. Very dynamic, meaning strong, but very progressive, meaning it's going to push out quickly. But what I think is going to happen, the regional Canadian model is showing the best. This is the latest run. Here's a storm right now. By the time we get very wee hours in the morning, so here's this deformation axis right here. So you'll see some snow breaking out over the north country of Vermont, Adirondacks, few inches. And the main storm is developing down here with the surface low. Very cold air on the backside, very warm air on the front side. Tight thermal gradient means low pressure is going to really blow up. By the time we get to daybreak tomorrow morning, heavier snow starts to develop in the interior, heavy rain near the coast. By the time we get to late morning, you're going to start to see that rain change to snow, especially in areas like Scranton, Poconos, northwestern Connecticut. You're going to do pretty well with this, at least 3 to 6. But New Jersey's going to hold on to some rain probably till about noon. And then you're going to see that snow really take over in Sussex County, heavy snow up in Vermont, as very, very cold air rushes in on the backside. But the cold air on the backside actually is not going to help keep the snow around long. What I'm worried about is, and why my amounts are lower for areas like New Jersey, is there's a big line of dry air that's going to come in on the backside of this storm, seen at 700 millibars or 14,000 feet, which concerns me. So not too bullish on the high snow amounts in New York City, etc. Then on the back end, some great upslope snows for northern Vermont. So I think well over a foot for those mountains. Thanks for checking in. We'll have another update tomorrow morning.